Many of our clients ask us, hey Jojo or the SOJO team, why don't you do the plumbing and electrical work? Well, here's a good analogy for you. You know when you go to your primary care physician, you sometimes get referrals like the PT or gynecology. That's exactly how plumbers and electricians are to us. When we're a builder, we're seen as a primary physician. And the specialty lies in with plumbers and electricians. That's how our team, we're able to scale projects from 5 to 10 to 15 plus more, because the projects are moving quick with the highest quality of craftsmanship. We have a group of subcontractors that we've vetted out, we've trusted, and we've seen the quality, and we make sure that we supervise and we oversee their operations to make sure the end result is up to our SOJO team satisfaction and our client satisfaction. So if you want to know more, learn more, and see how to scale businesses, or even simply see our processes, please follow our social media channels. My name is Jojo with the SOJO team.